Guys, if you want to skyrocket your floristry business in 2025, you need to watch this video. Are you a beginner florist or struggling to get sales? I have got all the answers in this video for you. First of all, let's get the roadmap to success in 2025 started. So first of all, I want you to envision what your dream floristry business is going to look like, or how you want to push through those barriers and gain more success within your business. So now we have got that dream, how are we going to achieve this? How are we going to face those hurdles and overcome them? I have now been teaching florists worldwide for the last 3 years, and I completely understand how you are feeling, and I have also been in your shoes too. I started from nothing. I started from a seed with an idea and a dream. And within these last 10 years of being a florist, I have taken that tiny seed to a 6-figure business, and I want you to be there too. And thinking back to when I was that seed, I would have never thought that my business would have grown this much. And you can be there too. You just have to put perseverance in, manifest your dreams, and you will get there. Now, you might be thinking, Jem, but what hurdles will I have to go through and how will I overcome them? Well, let's get straight on into it. So for the first year of running my floristry business, I actually lost money, but that is absolutely normal when you are setting up your business in the first year. You cannot just go into business and expect that you're going to make money, because that's not how the world works. If it did, everybody's going to do it. So nothing worth having comes easy at all. And a lot of my students say this within their first year: oh, Jem, I'm losing money. What am I going to do? When will I start making money? When will my bank balance go up? You just need to be patient. That is the answer to that. So what I did is focused on brand awareness, okay? So I put a lot of my money into advertising to get my name out there and people within my local area to know me. Hi, I'm Jem. I'm your new favourite florist. Come and get the best quality flowers from me for an affordable price. So that is what I did in my first year. So all my bouquets were so affordable, and I was charging less than their worth. But it didn't matter because I was investing in brand awareness. So you have to spend money to make money, okay? So in business, that is what you have to do. And that is how the world works. You have to spend money to make money. So if you're not prepared to invest money into a business, then success is going to take a longer time to come. You will have to make investments within your business, whether that would be investing in a website, investing in advertising the website, do Google ads, go on social media, boost your posts, go on Meta ads and do adverts on there. They're really good for selling products. Boosting posts on Instagram really is just to get more of a following these days. Whereas if you use Meta ads, okay, so download the app Meta ads and do your adverts on there. Even better if you're doing it on a desktop as well, because it prepares the adverts in every single format. So for example, your stories, your feed posts, explore page, etc, etc. It will show you exactly how the adverts are going to look, and then you can put how many days you want the ads to run for and how much budget that you have. So you can spend as little as £2.50 per day if you want to, and you're still going to get reach on social media. So this is what we really need to focus on in 2025, getting our names out there, making sure people know about us, and getting those sales coming in to help us achieve that multi-6-figure business that we want and that we dream of, because that is why we are doing it, okay? At the end of the day, everybody is in business to put food on the table and get money and get the life that they deserve. Be brave enough to step out of your local area and get those nationwide orders coming in. So I only recently started doing nationwide orders, and when I started doing them, I was thinking, why the heck did I not do these before? I am now sending bouquets all around England, and it's been fantastic. My sales volume has grown so much, it is incredible. So this is more for bouquet orders. So if you want to achieve more orders, you need to step out of your comfort zone and get that nationwide delivery. If you are a florist that does flowers for all occasions and you're thinking, oh, I really want to dive in to doing more funerals, for example, have you gone to your local funeral directors and introduce yourself, giving them a brochure and tell them how much value you can bring to them and how much better your service is than other people in the local area? And I know that is very, very harsh to say, but this is business, guys. We have got competition and we do need to get those sales coming in. So have you done that? Because if you haven't, you aren't going to get as much funeral orders. Now, you don't particularly have to have a funeral home contract at all to get lots of funeral orders. You can just do this by promoting that you do funerals. For example, I have a contract with 3 funeral homes, so I don't advertise funerals on my social media as much because I like to keep it all pretty and happy. So I advertise it more on my website and then I get the funeral orders in. Okay, so same as weddings. If you want more weddings, go to your local venues and say, can I be a recommended supplier as a florist? You need to go and get out there. You need to network. You need to make people know who you are. So if you are serious about this success within your floristry business, you need to come out of that comfort zone and you need to go and talk to these people. You need to network and meet with people. It just does not come to you. Like, the world will not just give you everything that you need. You need to put it into the world to get it back. And as my granddad always used to say, there is nothing for the dumb. So no question is stupid. So go to those wedding venues, go to those funeral directors and get those sales coming in. Now, if you are a beginner or you're so overwhelmed by this, you do not know where to start, please start manifesting, write it all down, write your roadmap to success out, think about what you're going to do, grow some balls, go out and speak to people and make sure they all know that you are the best in this business and you are going to deliver the best displays that you possibly can, okay? So with this energy, you will get that energy back. I can't stress that enough. You really, really have to. Now, I am not actually a confident person, believe it or not, but I knew I had to put these things in place to get where I am today, and then that has made me more confident. For example, speaking on here today, I couldn't do that when I first started floristry. I'd have been like, no. But along the way, I have learned all these skills and it is amazing. It's not just about making flowers. I have learned so many new skills from floristry. I've learned how to record videos, how to use more technology. I've learned how to use editing systems. I've learned how to be confident speaking on camera and so much more. Know your worth. You put your prices up to what they are worth. Okay, so never ever think, oh no, I can't do that, I'm not going to sell anything because I put it up this much. Know your worth, bitch. You are amazing, okay? And people are still going to buy off you because they know you are amazing. So never ever be scared to put those prices up, okay? So pricing is one of those things that you can never fully get, okay? Even now, sometimes with other florists, for example, in my area, or other florists in general, they're doing cheaper things than me and they might have the same style as me, or they might be creating similar designs to what I do and they're doing them for cheaper. I don't care because I know my worth. I've got 10 years experience and I know that I need to make sure that I'm hitting my profit margins and making sure that I'm a profitable business that is sustainably profitable as well. So for those people that come to you and say, oh, can I have this bouquet? And for example, you've advertised it at £120 and they say, what's the best price? You do not have a best price. The price is the price. That is everything that the flowers and designs are worth. So do not put your price down. You do not want customers like this, okay? there is many other customers that will come to you and know your worth, okay? So just take this into consideration, and you do not have to fulfill every single order or inquiry that comes your way. Have the power to say no. If you're thinking, Jem, hang on, I'm just a beginner here, or I only know how to make bouquets, I don't know how to do weddings and funeral designs yet. You don't have to do all aspects of floristry, but if you are looking to do that, or you just want to advance your skills on making bouquets that are the most sought after and they make money and profit, I have got the perfect membership program for you. All the tutorials you could ever dream of, a community academy to talk to me personally and other florists within the membership as well. Weekly fresh content, whether that's tutorials, behind the scenes, quizzes, challenges. We have got it all in this all-in-one floristry hub for you. There is no training program like it, because it is only £19.99 per month, and anybody that can speak English can join, and there is no contract, and it will give you value guaranteed. I will also be there in the academy every single month live to answer all of your questions and make sure you are doing the right things to skyrocket your business. So if you are interested in this, please do go down to the description and click the link, okay? And I'll be waiting there for you, and I cannot wait to meet you in there. I've already got nearly 100 members in there already, which is so exciting, and I've had so much good feedback, and it's making my dreams come true. So I am going to make your dreams come true as well. So what are you waiting for? Let's get that business skyrocketing right now and make our business a huge success. Bloody hell, I feel flipping exhausted from all that passionate talking, but it's what I've got to do to help you guys. So let's make 2025 our best year yet. Come on guys, let's go. Join that membership academy and I'll be there for you, and I cannot wait to meet you. And if not, I will see you in the next YouTube video.